Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the silverware basket on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job and you won't need any tools. Let me show you how we do it.
Now before we change the cutlery basket, we'll just verify that the new one functions properly, that the cover for the small items locks in position, and as well the release mechanism works properly and the lock's all right. So we'll just open the dishwasher door, remove the old one, we'll slide the new one in place. The little keyhole slots will engage the two tabs on the door. And then we can take the old one and put it in your workshop. You may be able to use it to store some tools or paintbrushes or something like that in. And our repair is complete.
I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.